Welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into a must-have gaming headset for PlayStation enthusiasts, the JBL Quantum 910p. This premium headset promises top-notch audio and comfort, but does it deliver? Let's find out. Known for its sleek design and high-quality build, this headset aims to elevate your gaming experience to the next level. We'll explore its design, features, performance, and more, so stick around to see if this headset is right for you. Starting off with the design, the JBL Quantum 910p exudes premium craftsmanship. It features a sleek white chassis with customizable lighting that enhances its aesthetic appeal. The ear cups and headband are generously padded with thick leatherette, ensuring comfort during long gaming sessions. The headset also boasts intuitive on-headset controls for volume, gain, chat balance, and more, making it user-friendly and functional. Now, let's talk performance. The 910p impresses with its audio quality, thanks to JBL's Quantum Sphere 360 surround sound. Whether you're immersed in the detailed landscapes of Gran Turismo 7 or battling foes in Dragon's Dogma 2, the spatial audio delivers pinpoint accuracy, though it may add a slight echo to voices in some instances. For multiplayer games like PUBG, Battlegrounds, directional audio is exceptional, allowing you to react swiftly to in-game sounds. Beyond gaming, the headset shines with its music performance. It offers a balanced soundscape that enhances both energetic power metal and atmospheric scores. Customization is key here, with robust EQ settings available through the PC app, ensuring you can fine-tune the audio to suit your preferences. When it comes to voice chat, the microphone performs admirably, providing clear communication with minimal background noise. Battery life is impressive, offering around 40 hours of playtime on a single charge, which extends further if you opt for Bluetooth connectivity. In conclusion, the JBL Quantum 910p stands out as a top-tier gaming headset for PlayStation users. With its superior build quality, immersive audio, and extensive feature set, it competes strongly with other premium options in the market. If you're looking to elevate your gaming and audio experience, this headset is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the JBL Quantum 910p. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest tech products. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming!